Whispers in the Wind, the story of hot air balloons in Cappadocia. Long before the sky above Cappadocia was painted each morning with drifting colors, this ancient land was already a poem carved in stone. Volcanic eruptions millions of years ago had sculpted a dreamscape of honeycombed hills, towering rock spires, and secret valleys, a canvas unlike any other on Earth. For centuries, this mystical terrain held secrets of civilizations long gone: Hittites, Romans, Byzantines, who carved their homes, churches, and sanctuaries deep into the soft, tough rock. But it wasn't until the quiet dawn of the 1990s that the sky itself became part of the story. It began not with grand plans, but with wonder. A handful of adventurers, Turkish dreamers and European balloon pilots, gazed upon Cappadocia's valleys and asked, what would it feel like to float above this otherworldly land? The answer came with a gentle roar of flame and a silk balloon rising slowly into the pale Anatolian sky. The first official flights in the early 1990s were humble, experimental, and filled with awe. Pilots discovered that the region's unique geography offered nearly perfect flying conditions: calm winds, open space, and mornings kissed by golden light. What began as a quiet novelty quickly became a passion and a calling. Word spread, and soon more balloons began to rise over Göreme and Uçhisar, gliding silently between the fairy chimneys, brushing the tops of apricot orchards and skimming the folds of forgotten valleys. Each flight became a slow dance with the wind, celebration of silence, beauty, and flight. Regulations were carefully established, pilots were trained with precision, and by the early 2000s, Cappadocia had transformed into the world's premier destination for hot air ballooning. What makes it special is not just the view from above, though it is breathtaking, but the deep stillness, the feeling of timelessness, as if for a few moments you are part of the sky itself. Today, as the first light of dawn warms the cliffs and minarets below, over 100 balloons lift gently into the air, each one carrying a new set of wide eyes and beating hearts. For many, it is the closest they will ever come to flying in a dream. What began as a whisper of curiosity has become a symphony in the sky, a ritual of wonder that continues each morning over the soul of Cappadocia.